Okay, so I finally gave in to peer pressure and Instamart deals and got myself an air fryer. Hello, sleek little toaster from the future. She's giving kitchen baddie energy, minimalistic, matte black, and already judging my diet. Look at this basket. Spacious, non-stick, ready to hold all my poor life choices and about 300 grams of fries. Alright, I'm keeping it classy. Frozen fries, a drizzle of oil and salt, a shake. 200 degrees, 15 minutes, that's Celsius, babe. Oh, okay, crispy, golden, sizzling. The air fryer slaps. And if anyone needs me, I'll be air frying everything except my responsibilities. Bye.